What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be talking about the new Motorola Moto E6 coming to Metro by T-Mobile. We're going to talk about the launch date and the specifications. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, welcome back. Hopefully you guys had a really good weekend. I definitely had a nice rested weekend. But we're going to be talking about the Moto E6. Now before I state off the specifications and the launch date, I just want to give a huge shout out to the people of Twitter. People are leaking stuff from Metro phones and stuff like that. So this is all from them. Found this on Twitter, so I appreciate you guys who send me this stuff. So it looks like the Motorola Moto E6 is going to be launched Monday, August 26th, and I will be picking up this phone. I know Kevin Breeze will be picking up this phone. I'm going to be in Nevada at that time, so I might just wait another week till I go to Arizona, and me and Kevin are going to do a lot of coverage on the Moto E6. Now the display is going to be a 5.45 inch HD plus display, so this is going to be a 720p display, not a full HD display, and then the resolution is going to be 18:9. I'm hoping it is going to be an AMOLED display, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Now for our cameras, we're going to have a 13 megapixel fast focus and LED flash camera for a main camera, and for our front facing camera we have a 5 megapixel selfie camera with the flash. So you know, a lot of people like that flash, so it's great that we're going to see this on this device. Now for our processor, we are going to have a Snapdragon 435 processor in here that's going to be clocked in at 1.4 gigahertz. This is going to be an octa-core processor, so nothing amazing right here. We will have 16 gigabytes of internal storage in this device, so you guys might want to use a micro SD card. You guys can expand your memory via micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes, and we also have 2 gigabytes of RAM in this device. As far as the battery, we have 3000 milliamps. We are not going to have facial recognition. We are going to have password, pattern, and PIN as far as our security goes. There might be an update for that later on. Let's hope there is. And as far as our Wi-Fi, it looks like we will have a 5 gigahertz band, so that's always good if you guys do purchase the 5 gigahertz band under your cable or Wi-Fi provider. Since the Motorola Moto E6 retail price is $149.99, now the promotional prices are as follows. An upgrade is $59.99, a new line upgrade or add a line price is free, and port-in price is free, so you guys can get this device for free. This is going to be a little bit of a cheaper device, but a lot of people do love Motorola devices, so if you guys are happy about the Moto E6, maybe you guys have the Moto E4 from Metro by T-Mobile, you guys might want to look in purchasing this device. So tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. I don't think this is a special phone by any means. It looks like we do have the same amount of memory and RAM that we saw in the Moto E4, so I'm not too enticed about this phone, but I will be doing videos about it. I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments down below. As always, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. It's been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.